Hi there, Ashley Reeve here. Welcome to another video on our economic calendar update. It is the first day of August 2022. But before we get started, please note that QuickTrade is a licensed financial service provider, as well as a licensed over-the-counter derivatives provider. Myself, a registered rep working for QuickTrade, currently under supervision that authorizes me to offer some advice and a couple of recommendations. However, risk and reward and the execution of your trade still remains your responsibility. So I'm back with another update on our economic calendar, the forecast for this week, the 1st of August to the 5th of August. Last week, very interesting week there with a lot of fluctuation and volatility in the market. You saw the dollar had some interest rate hikes. We had some GDP contraction. We did see a rally on the indices. We'll see how much percentage that actually came to at the end of the week. But it was a very, very interesting week with the earning reports. Also a mixture there, but for the most part, pretty strong. If you can see the information that I'm sharing with you, you'll see that the stocks on Wall Street rallied on Friday. It was driven by a combination of strong earnings as well as mounting speculation on the Federal Reserve interest rate hike, which had an opposite effect on the dollar strength, which is unusual, but it did, consider that it was already factored into the dollar price. You'll see that the Dow Jones Industrial Average jumped by 3%, the S&P 500 jumped by 4.3%, and the Nasdaq by 4.7%. This week we have also a very, very tight week, a very interesting week with some more earnings from some notable companies. You'll see Advanced Micro Devices, Pinterest, PayPal, Uber, Airbnb, Block, CVS, Caterpillar, just a couple of popular stocks to actually track if you are trading the US stocks with us. And then obviously on to further information in terms of the calendar, you'll see that Tuesday we have some monetary policy or interest rate decision there from RBA, the Reserve Bank of Australia. It's at 6:30 a.m. That's Tuesday. And it seems like they'll be raising by about 50 basis points. That's 0.5%. And then on Thursday at 1 p.m., we have the Bank of England interest rate decision there for the pound, raising it by about 25 basis points. It's 0.25%. And then as you do know, it's the NFP week, the non-farm payrolls for July, looking at a forecast of 250,000 jobs created. And then with that, you guys know that the unemployment rate also then comes out together at 14:30 South African time, forecasted to be at 3.6%. So just, expect a bit of volatility all around the week. If you are in any trades, obviously in the beginning of the week seems like a safer time to get in. But as we, obviously look towards the later part of the week, we could experience some volatility, which could kick out your risk and reward. So please check that over, make sure that it's done. Check out your emergency exits, make sure that you have your setups in place. And then I'll be back again on Thursday to give you an update and some possible direction in terms of technical setups for the NFP. This is Ashley Reeve, as always, signing out.